Hello everyone, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And on this video, on this lesson, we're going to learn a basic and a very small example of ratio and proportion. So we have a made-up example here. We have a small store, we have a small kiosk at the mall, and on one day we have actually the total of 15 cash transactions and then 25 transactions with credit cards. Okay, very nice. So this will be equals to 40 transactions for one day, which the people who paid with cash were 15, and the people who paid with card were 25 transactions. So this, my friends, these are actual numbers, okay? 15 cash transactions and 25 cash transactions. And our job is gonna be to find out the ratio of cash to card transactions. And to do this is very simple, my friends. First, we are going to find out, we're going to put this number right here, 15 over 25. And just like, this is just like a fraction, okay? It looks like a fraction, but we're actually going to find out the ratio. These are actual numbers again, and we're going to put them on the order that are laid, on the order that they were written. The 15 comes first, and the 25 comes first right here. At the end, the order of these two is not really going to matter unless when you read the question of your problem very carefully, it's going to say, what is the ratio of cash to card transactions? From cash, to card transactions. So this number is going to come first, and this number is going to come second. So right here, I'll put the 15 first and then the 25 next right here at the bottom. Once again, these are actual numbers, and now we're going to find our ratio. So the ratio is very simple. To find the ratio, my friends, all I have to do is look at this as a fraction and then reduce this fraction to the lowest common denominator or to the lowest common factor. We learned this in another lesson, okay? So can I reduce this by 2? No, I can't. Can I do it by 3? No. By 4? No. I can do it by 5. The 5 right here, if I take the 5 to reduce this, the 5 will go into the 15 3 times, and the 5 will go into that 25 5 times. Okay? So now we can tell, my friends, that the ratio of cash to card transactions is 3 to 5. So for every 3 cash transactions, there are 5 card transactions. Actual numbers, ratio numbers. Now the ratio numbers, we usually represent them by this: 3, 5. We can also do this 3, 5. Or we can also represent this ratio as 3 of 5. Okay, writing 3 of 5. But most of the times you're gonna see either one of these two answers as a way to represent your ratio. I see most of the times people use this, or they just write, they literally write 3 of 5. And this, my friends, this is how you figure it out, but this is how you solve for the ratio of anything. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in our next lesson. Have a great day. Bye-bye.